Hey guys, Titus Jones here with MarineMax, and we just got an exciting new addition to the fleet. This is the 2026 250 Cruiser by Harris. It's matte black on black, and it is wonderful. I'm gonna jump up top and we're gonna show you some features. I wanna talk for a little bit about the luxuriousness of this Tri-Toon. As you can see, I got on my Sunday's best here, and I wanna tell you that the pontoon game has changed significantly over the years. This is no longer your grandfather's pontoon boat. This boat is luxurious. It's about hanging out, it's about looking good, and it's about socializing. I'm back here at the transom area of this wonderful pontoon. I am leaning on the stainless steel ski tow bar, which is a great feature. This boat is rigged with a naturally aspirated V6 200 by Mercury, a powerful engine indeed. As I walk to the cockpit area of the boat, you'll see that we have an L lounge here. Now this is what I was talking about, socializing, the socializing element of the boat, because you can sit right here and you're pretty much able to socialize with the entire boat here. I mean, with the captain included. So everyone is gathered around and having a good time. This is what boating is all about. I'm gonna walk over here to the helm. Very ergonomical here. It's not a whole lot, but it's not a little bit either. You got a 7-inch Simrad here, conveniently located. Nice, excellent field of view. You also have a wet sound stereo system here, and you have your toggle switches conveniently located right here within arm's reach. You also have a wireless cell phone charger here, and then your throttle shift, of course. So much room in this 250, but I won't tell you what all you can do. I'll let your imagination run wild. If you want to come take this boat on a ride, you know what to do. Come see me, Titus Jones at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. We'll see you soon.